Hello, and welcome to the second episode in our series. As I shared in our first episode, there's a real need for all that 5G can deliver. From broad, reliable internet for more communities to connected classrooms, workplaces, and smart cities. We will be able to achieve all of that and so much more with this piece of technology. I'm especially thrilled to be here talking with you about this innovation because planning for this product was no easy task. A new modem RF pairing is always an exciting time for us. Usually, it's a lab fest with hundreds of engineers working together. But this time, we had to do it all with minimal face-to-face interaction and using very efficient remote collaboration. So what can this miracle of a silicon do? To explain that, in this episode, we get to spend some time with my colleague, Durga Malladi, Senior Vice President and General Manager for 5G. Durga, what makes mobile industry incredibly exciting is its staggering pace of advancement and the magnitude of its impact. We've had the privilege of seeing firsthand the benefits of technologies Qualcomm has invented. Just a decade ago, with the launch of LTE, we ushered in an era of new digital experience and mobile internet. Back then, 100 megabits per second download speeds over cellular was a major milestone. Then in 2016 came the gigabit LTE. Now we are ready to bring in something that will be another giant leap for the cellular industry. Why don't you tell our viewers a little bit about that?
It's great to be here with you, Vanita. That is safe distance, of course. Now, we've come a long way in a short amount of time. I remember how we worked on 10 megabits per second over 3G just about 15 years back. And it was 100 megabits per second over 4G LTE about 10 years back. And 5 years ago, I was working on 1 gigabit per second with LTE Advanced. And now it's 10 gigabits per second with 5G. You're beginning to see a pattern here. We are increasing the peak wireless data rates by 10 times every 5 years or so. We've created a product that can usher in an era in cellular that's 100 times faster than early LTE and just about 5,000 times faster than early 3G. So today I'm proud to share with our viewers that next leap to 10 gigabit 5G. You heard that right, it's 10 gigabit 5G. The new Qualcomm Snapdragon X65 5G modem RF system is the first to break the 10 gigabit barrier in wireless, enabling new use cases and possibilities.
So when it comes to 10 gigabit 5G, we are not just talking about fast speeds. It means massive capacity. It's how we get to better experiences for more users on the networks.
Absolutely. More capacity in the network with higher average and cellular data rates means everyone can benefit. Now, entertainment can be richer and more social. Imagine a live concert thousands of miles away. But the technology lets you to be with your friends at the venue. Now, you're sharing a lifelike video stream. You're chatting with others over video during a live big event. Now, it's the next level. And productivity will soar as we run advanced cloud applications from our mobile devices. With virtually unlimited cloud processing and storage, we'll be able to do so much more with our phones. Things like professional video editing and 3D design. Now, we can't exactly predict what the future will look like, but 10 gigabit 5G gives us the capacity to dream big.
Yes, the possibilities 10 gigabit 5G can enable is only limited by our own imagination. But our viewers want to hear what else is coming with Snapdragon X65.
So, Vanita, as you know, last year 3GPP standards body introduced new 5G specifications. It's called Release 16. It defines the next phase of global 5G development. Now, Snapdragon X65 is the world's first 3GPP Release 16 5G modem to antenna solution. What's incredible is that it's architected with an upgradable feature set for rapid commercialization. Now, what this means is it'll allow us to continuously add new features, extending 5G across multiple application segments beyond smartphones, because Snapdragon X65 can be upgraded via software updates over time.
So we are talking smartphones, mobile broadband, and fixed wireless access.
Exactly. And this will enable new opportunities with gigabit connectivity to home with fixed wireless access, industrial IoT applications, and 5G private networks, bringing 5G to entirely new industries. Now, for example, a more reliable 5G connectivity will help us digitizing manufacturing and improving the overall productivity of that sector. It's a cornerstone of what people call Industry 4.0.
That's great. Can you help our audience see the even broader picture? When we look ahead at the future, what will Snapdragon X65 be able to do for us?
It really is a very futuristic modem RF platform. To give our viewers the insider's perspective, now what we do typically is think about what people will need not just now, but several years down the road. We're working in a world where we can raise the average mobile experience for just about everyone. Now think about the situation we are in right now. Video is the new phone call. We need reliable connections and better battery life that take us through our entire workday. So Snapdragon X65 is built to deliver outstanding power efficiency. It features next-generation efficiency-enhancing technologies, boosting battery life while achieving superior data rates and coverage. Not just that, Snapdragon X65 further extends our millimeter wave leadership. The new Qualcomm QTM 545 millimeter wave antenna modules feature a superior millimeter wave coverage, supporting all 5G millimeter wave bands expected to commercialize for truly global 5G.
Snapdragon helps us continuously push millimeter wave performance with our 4th generation millimeter wave solution. The fact is, millimeter wave being so new to cellular, some said it was actually impossible. It is so technically challenging that some of our competitors have not even begun to commercialize it. How else does Snapdragon differentiate us?
It's quite impressive, really. Snapdragon X65 offers unprecedented deployment flexibility to operators and devices. So it increases attainable 5G network speeds and improves capacity with all the available spectrum. Offers advanced capabilities like aggregation of millimeter wave and sub-6, and unprecedented bandwidth aggregation for both downlink and uplink. But operators and devices won't be the only beneficiaries of this technology. Given the tremendous momentum that we are seeing with global 5G adoption, we thought it would only be appropriate to double down and push ahead on the next tier of platforms. So we're also launching a widely accessible sibling of Snapdragon X65, the Snapdragon X62 5G modem RF system. Snapdragon X62 is a 5G modem-to-antenna solution supporting multi-gigabit downloads for mobile broadband services and fixed wireless applications, offering an extensive feature set and operator deployment flexibility.
It's great to see you, Durga. Thanks for giving us insights on what we have been up to. Our teams have been hard at work on this, and we couldn't be more excited to unveil the Snapdragon X65 and X62 5G modem RF systems to you. We know these technologies will drive 5G expansion in the next wave of 5G devices and unique experiences over the next few years. The transition to 5G is more than just about developing new modems. Given all that the 5G enables, it comes with a lot of complexities and challenges on the RF front end. In the next episode, Valerio Filero, VP of Product Management, will talk to you about how we are planning to address those RF challenges ahead to ensure users get the best experience. So join us in episode 3 of What's Next in 5G.